Hey accelerators, it's Christopher Maselli, and I am taking you on a brief tour through SocialBee, my favorite way to manage all my social media online. I use this because I don't want to hire an entire social media team. I want something that's easy to use and affordable, and I found SocialBee to be just that. So when you first open up SocialBee, what you see is the dashboard. And the dashboard just kind of gives you a brief overview of the accounts that you have connected, how many posts you have left scheduled in those accounts. Honestly, don't worry about this screen right now. I barely even use this screen. What I like to start with is the profile screen when I'm first getting into SocialBee, because the profile screen allows you to connect up your different social media profiles. As you can see here, I have 5 social media profiles right now connected to SocialBee. Okay. The first one is my Twitter account for Gena and I, which is Writing Momentum. The second one is LinkedIn for me. The third one is my personal Twitter account. The fourth one is LinkedIn for Gena, and the fifth one is our Writing Momentum Facebook account. They're all connected. So super easy to connect accounts in SocialBee. All you do is you scroll down here to the bottom and you click on whatever account you want to add. And when you click on Twitter or a Facebook page or a LinkedIn profile, it will automatically have you log into that service, and then you're connected. It is ready to post on your behalf to any of those channels, which is super cool and super, super easy. The other thing you can connect is if you go up here to your name again and you choose settings, you can also connect URL shorteners. So if you're not familiar with the URL shortener, it's a service that will take a really long URL you've got, or even a short one, and it will change it to be whatever you want it to be. Usually shorter, and you can track it then. So for instance, I've connected a Rebrandly account, and Rebrandly is a service that I use because it's free, and I bought this domain name, writing.fyi, and now anytime I put a URL into SocialBee, it'll automatically change to writing.fyi/ something else. So in that way, I can track all those URLs, and I can take a really ugly long URLs and make them short and easy to read, which I absolutely love that. Rebrandly also gives you a free one, as does SocialBee gives you a couple free ones. If you just want to use one of theirs, you can, but I think it's kind of cool to have your own, so that's why I got Writing FYI. Now, you cannot use your domain name for your website. You would have to get one that's slightly different at least, because you're using that on your website. This is something that's dedicated just for shortening URLs. The other thing you can connect to SocialBee is a Pocket account. Now, Pocket is a service that allows you, like if you're reading a story on your phone or on your computer, you can save that story to your Pocket account for reading later. But the cool thing that SocialBee does is it will take that same story that you saved to your account, and it will schedule it into your social feeds if you want. And this is how you do that, is through this area right here. And there are other ways to get things into SocialBee. I've connected my Pocket account, but I really don't use it that much. But it's nice to have that ability if you want it. The other menu items that you'll notice when you go into SocialBee are that you've got, well, let's start on this side. You've got, this is all your profile and settings, your license, the concierge service where you can pay them to do stuff for you if you want. And then, of course, your billing is here under your name. Then they've got a nice help menu. They've got documentation. They've got a full roadmap so you can see where they're going with SocialBee. You can schedule a call if you want to talk to them about some of their other services. And you can do questions. If you have any questions, you can also use this button down here at the bottom for questions, which I love doing. You click it, see, boom, and there you can ask questions. And then, of course, you can go through what they call onboarding, which is where they'll walk you through how to set up your accounts with SocialBee, which is pretty cool. Then you've got these two here, the Grow and Engage. These are both for Twitter. So if you want to help grow your Twitter account through adding followers and removing followers and seeing really great analytics and that sort of thing, they have that here in the Grow and Engage areas for Twitter. You can also schedule default mentions and default direct messages if you want to. Those are usually frowned upon, but you're able to do it through SocialBee. So these two menu items are for Twitter. These two are for your posts. Your content is where you upload all of your posts. So anything you've created, you can upload it there into categories. And I'll show you how to do that in another video. And then posting is where you schedule it out onto a calendar. So, and then you've got your dashboard, which is just kind of the place you can start. And then there's this plus sign where if you just want to add a new post and put it on your networks, you can do that now. So what I usually tell people is really all you need to know about in all this material that they give you is content and posting. Most of us, those are the only two menus you will even need. You're going to upload your content, write your content, and you're going to post it. And that's it. And I'm going to walk you through each one of those menu items. Now, if you want to get into all the Twitter stuff, then you'll need Grow and Engage. It comes with SocialBee, so you might as well use some of it if you want, but you don't have to. So that's pretty much the entire menu system. It's not real complicated, but that's part of the reason I love SocialBee. It keeps it simple, and it just works.